Beach Lane fans really liked the kit that it comes in and what they explain how good it is and everything. I also bought the refrigerator fan too. They seem to have their act together the most, except for the installation. The picture they have on this page of installation is actually one of the worst pictures I think I've seen. They don't show you it pulled back. They don't show you really how to do it. I had to go find a picture someplace else. And being a do-it-yourselfer, it shows with these turned the other way in this picture that they're pointing out. And they're actually, in some cases, they have to point in to actually fit and hook around these shelves. So this spacing here is right with the other set of hooks. That's it. Other than that, I love it. So enjoy it. Just they need to do a little bit better on their explanation of installation. Another thing about the Beach Lane refrigerator cooling system to cool the fans outside the refrigerator area, it comes with this speed control, and they give you these crappy little sticky 3M things. They're terrible. They won't last probably more than 2 days. So get yourself some 3M, some real meaty stickers, so you can put them on there and they don't go anywhere. Good luck.